And now to a story that we first brought to you yesterday. The woman accused of squatting in a Queens home that wasn't hers appeared before a judge today. It was neighbors who locked her out of the property. Jenna DeAngelis has been on top of the story from the beginning. And today she learned how that suspect says she found the empty Howard Beach house in the first place.
Laurel Bay covering her face from our camera while leaving court. Her appearance Wednesday answering to criminal trespass charges after being arrested at this Howard Beach home twice in July.
Can you tell us why you were there? Do you have anything to say?
No comment.
Bay was quiet at court, but neighbors argue she had plenty to say when approached at the long vacant 99th Street home.
And she told me she had permission to be here, which I knew was untrue after my neighbors and I did a very thorough investigation online with public records. We knew that this lady was looking to squat in this home.
Neighbors say they saw Bay moving belongings into the home, but her reasons for being there weren't adding up.
She would have gotten away with it if she would have told all the neighbors the same story, the same lie.
According to the criminal complaint, police saw Bay come out of the house and she allegedly told an officer she did research and nobody lives in the home.
It's scary because we went online then to do some research ourselves, and a lot of this information is readily available. She knew that someone died.
Assemblywoman Stacey Pfeffer Amato, who neighbors reached out to, helped track down the homeowners.
The house has been with my family for like multiple generations, and it was my mother's who passed away, and it is now mine and my aunt's.
Christopher Holmes says his aunt is now in assisted living and he lives in California.
The house has been vacant for a little while now, and that's something, I think we've been talking about handling, and this has kind of put an accelerant onto doing that.
An order of protection was issued in court. A judge says Bay cannot contact witnesses or return to the residence. The home has also been locked up while Holmes figures out what's next.
The silver lining for me is the neighborhood really rallied around it.
Now, court documents also note Bay allegedly said she's been in the home since May. She's due back in court in October.
Jenna, tell us more about how they can find this information online, because I'm sure this is coming to a surprise to a lot of people.
Yeah, I mean, information is public, so it's good to do your own checkup online, see what information is out there. The Assemblywoman did say in response to this, she's going to hold a webinar, Protect Your Deed webinar with the DA's office, so they can talk to homeowners about what they can do to protect their own homes and avoid the situation. That'll be August 26th.
All right, good idea. Thank you, Jenna.